Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set a Google Spreadsheet location. To set or change the location of a Google Spreadsheet, you need to manage its storage location within your Google Drive. And this is how you can get that done. So go to Google Drive and sign in with your Google account if necessary. Then find the Google Spreadsheet you want to move. You can use the search bar or browse through your folders, however you want it to be. Then you need to drag and drop. So click and hold the file, then drag it to the desired folder in the left-hand sidebar of Google Drive. Right-click on the spreadsheet. All right, select Move to the context menu. In the dialog that appears, navigate to the folder where you want to move the file. Click Move to relocate the file to the selected folder. And if you want quick access to a specific location without moving the file, you can go to Google Drive and then find the Google spreadsheet you want to create a shortcut for. Then right-click on the spreadsheet, select Add Shortcut to Drive from the context menu. Choose the folder where you want to add the shortcut and click on Add Shortcut. That's pretty much it. So it seems like we've been saying a lot of things and you seem confused. So let's just quickly head over to Google Drive. And launch that. So this is Google Drive and it seems like all my spreadsheets are already here. So I'm just going to click on OK. So let's say this is the spreadsheet that I want to work with, AFI spreadsheet. And all I have to do is to drag. I can drag and drop. That's click and hold the file, then drag it to the desired folder in the left side corner of my screen. Well, I pretty much don't have folders, but let's say you want to drag, and you see this file can be reported, so you can drag it to any of this, to spam, trash, storage, whatever folder. If you have folders, just go ahead and move it to any of them. So that's one of the way to change the location. And then the second way to change the location is to right click on the spreadsheet and click on Move. So what's that? Move option. So go to Organize and go to Move. And once you go to Move, so select Move to from the context menu, which you did there, and in the dialog that appears, navigate to the folder where you want to move. So either My Drive, Shared Drives, Computers, or Shared with Me. And let's say Shared with Me. And once you click on that, you're going to see that there are more folders in there. Okay. Doesn't seem like this one move. But then just go ahead and select the location, and once you do that, just go ahead and click on a move, because this move icon or this move button will be enabled. So just go ahead and click on move, and that's going to be moved. So that's pretty much how you can get that done. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.